Hello guys, welcome back to our Smowcode YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install and create your own custom library. So libraries are nodes created by a group of nodes which can be reused at other parts of the code. They are like functions in C language. Libraries can take inputs and give outputs of the data. Firstly, take this input, tap on it plus icon. We will create a Blink library as an example. So double click on the output node to open its property. Hit on the pencil icon, new library name your library, Blinky, add, set name of the property. Here in Blinky, we will require a pin. Set the default value as 2 and select uint8 as it is an integer. Click add button to close the editor of the new library. Add, done. Label, update, done. Double tap on the output label. Here you can see that new library name is Blinky, so make sure it's pointing towards the library name Blinky. Update, done. Take a pen write node, add a delay of 0.5 seconds. As you can see, our flow is ready. Set pin number first, pin number 2, and the level is high, and set the level here at low, which means 0. Done. Here our library is ready. Now search here Blinky. As you can see, we have created our own library. So now let's check. Use an on interval, connect the flow, verify, and upload. Reset its time to 0.1 second. Verify and then upload. Now let us check the output. Now we have successfully created our own library. In Smowcode, you can also publish your library. So go to Chrome, open Smowcode Studio. Open Smowcode. Log in. Publish your library. Library name Blinky. You can add a description here. Open your Smowcode Studio. Flows. Rename your flow. Choose a file. Open your Smo file here. Open Blinky. Submit. Now you can see your library is published. Now you can see your library in Smowcode Studio. Firstly, we have to install that node. Tap here, install new nodes. Restart your software. Open Smowcode. Install, close.